Interdisciplinary collaboration is important in product development and enterprise innovation. We aim to streamline early ideation stages to achieve efficient team alignment. Our philosophy is to combine the intuitive physical interaction with informational digital interface. In a meeting, AI will automate repetitive tasks like taking notes, participate to create ideas, and visualize concepts. There are two major technologies behind it: computer vision and a large language model. Now, let's see the demo.
Our demo environment looks like this: camera for the computer vision and projector that shows the output, and a computer that runs the LLM and image generation. Today we are going to discuss about post-nuclear housing advertising.
So we are at a post-nuclear housing advertising. I think it's important that we recognize that we need housing, for sure.
It's post-nuclear, so people who will be interested in housing must be those rich people, so it needs to be comfortable, so
Okay. So for lava, can we like Barbie might like lava.
So don't forget to put nuke, because that's our central theme. Everyone likes nuke.
So we put 5 sticky notes on our screen. Now the computer vision reads the handwriting with OCR and gets ideas from GPT. After a bit of time, the top left shows additional sticky note keyword ideas, and below that, stroke boxes show the reading of the handwriting. On the right, you can see our conversation summarized and images generated with DALL-E. Looks like Barbie is eliminated for the ideas, and nuke and lava housing are more focused. It seems that GPT can prioritize ideas that are more relevant to our topic.